Imagine standing on a lush, green lawn, whether it's the soft blades of natural grass or the perfectly manicured surface of artificial turf. Most people assume natural grass is the budget-friendly choice, and that turf is a luxury reserved for those willing to splurge. But when you crunch the numbers, the story is far more surprising. The real cost of your lawn isn't just about the initial bill, it's a long-term commitment, and where you spend your money can be dramatically different depending on your choice. Natural grass starts out looking like a bargain. The upfront costs, seeds, sod, soil preparation, and irrigation are significantly less than turf's sticker price. But maintaining that living green comes with hidden expenses. Weekly mowing, seasonal fertilizing, water bills, pest control, and equipment repair all pile up. Over the years, these routine costs can quietly balloon into tens of thousands of dollars. The cheap yard becomes a financial drain, demanding both your time and your wallet. Artificial turf, on the other hand, is a major investment from day one. The installation process is intensive and the price tag can be intimidating. But once it's down, the ongoing expenses nearly vanish. No more mowing, no more fertilizer, and water usage drops to almost nothing. Maintenance is minimal and predictable, just the occasional rinse and cleanup. Over a decade or more, the savings add up. When you compare total costs over a typical lifespan, turf often saves homeowners over $20,000. The break-even point comes surprisingly quickly, usually within 5 years. For larger spaces like sports fields or commercial properties, the difference is even more dramatic, offering huge savings and usability. Choosing between grass and turf isn't just about aesthetics. It's about making a smart financial decision that pays off for years to come.